Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to make a collage in Adobe Express. Adobe Express offers a straightforward and an easy way to create stunning collages. So here is how you do it. First of all, open up the Adobe Express application on your mobile device. From the main homepage of Adobe Express, click on the plus button at the bottom right-hand corner. Go to Quick Actions on the top right and click on the Collage Maker option. Now, on the next page, click on Upload Images and go to your Photo Library option. Now select photos that you want to create a collage for, and after you choose enough photos, click on Add at the top right corner. Now, you can shuffle the layout by tapping on Shuffle Layout option. And if you want to arrange your photos, you can simply select one of them and rotate, reposition, replace, or resize your picture. Simply tap on the crop option and you will then be able to arrange your photos according to your need. If you want to increase or decrease the size or arrange your collages, then you can simply go ahead and select a collage, drag the handles available on top of each collages. You can also choose the Shuffle Layout option and make sure to pick the best layout for your photos. After you are done, you can also explore more edit options by tapping on Edit More at the top right corner. Make any necessary edits to enhance your collage. And finally, if you are happy with the result, you can then go ahead and save your changes by clicking on the Download option at the top right. Select the file format for your project and click on Download and save your collage to your camera roll. And that's how you easily make a collage in Adobe Express. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.